This is the new Volcanic Earth Go Away Lice. Now, having had 4 children myself and having travelled to many islands in Vanuatu, head lice is a problem with all the young school children. So, I also believe in this because it's a natural product made in Vanuatu. It's our product and it's all natural. Also, it's a cake of soap, so we're not going to be spilling that shampoo everywhere. Rub it in, wash it out, rinse it out, and the head lice is gone. That's it. That's what we need to do. And we can use it because it's natural. We can use it every day, more often than once. This is what I would recommend you girls use from now on for those babies. Go Away Lice from Volcanic Earth.